How to enable privacy mode for your Monzo balance. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Based on the current interface, there is no specific or a native privacy mode feature in the Monzo app that hides your balance at the toggle of the button. Well, what you could do is you could simply enable the app protection or app lock with Biometric. For that, you just want to go ahead and open up your settings on your device. As you do this, you then need to go ahead and tap open the app section, or you just want to go to privacy and security. Here it is. Once you go to this section, then you want to go to app security, and here you could simply go ahead and select device. You could just go ahead and select app security, and you could enable the lock feature as well. And this way it should be able to help you protect or enable privacy mode for your Monzo balance as well. And if you open the Monzo app onto your device, at the very home page you should be able to see your balance displayed, right? So there, right next to it, you could also find the I button, which can help you hide the balance as well as unhide the balance. This can also help you out to enable the privacy mode. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.